With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special, just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, oh baby. I really like.
Alright babe, so what you see me doing right now is detangling my hair extensions, because I'm going to be then washing these same hair extensions and reinstalling them. And yes, you can reuse your hair extensions even if you install them doing the quick weave method. So my tip for detangling your hair and hair extensions in general, always start from the ends of your hair and then work your comb all the way up the shaft till you get to the root or to your head. And the reason you want to do this is because you want to minimize breakage as much as possible, minimize split ends, minimize ripping your hair out and making your bundles thinner, and your natural hair can have the same effect as well. So you never want to take your comb and just comb it through your hair because you see that it has some tangles and some kinks. Work the kinks out as best as you can in a gentle manner. And the best way to do that is, like I said, starting from your ends and working your way up the shaft like you see me doing here. Alright y'all, so we have the hair brushed out, combed out, all of the tangles are gone. Now it's safe to go ahead and wash. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna record because I'm not at home when this is extension. So yeah.
I'm holding to you. Can't explain it. I'm so into you.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got me. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. You are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know.
Can y'all really
tell the world. Oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go, you can move right into my life. I hope you're responsible. So not just anybody. It's in my love, it's in your choice. I'm feeling good, good. Say yes, but say no. 'Cause I really need somebody. Tell me you're that somebody.
Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got me. East Coast, feel me.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody so next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man didn't show any. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he be killing them. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high and shout at you. Decide what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Said he keeps on playing games and his loving ain't the same. Don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes and a thing so far, baby, no propane. Got good, hey, can I be frank? To keep it 100, girl, I hate no. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me lay, baby, that's finna. Oh, baby. In the silk and it H-Town got a nigga so spit fire in the world so Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. like it back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. Don't feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I've been dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had a Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. Tears in the resume, so I took a private plane. He puts a nigga like it when I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, charge it to the car. Design it to the ground like a balance by the name. Drip too hard, causing on the floor. You gon' fuck around and drown. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little life, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little life, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get.
So this pretty much wraps up this video, y'all. Let me know in the comments how you enjoyed this style and if you're going to try it on yourself. I decided to leave the hair in its natural state. This is my favorite texture and this is how I like to wear it when I have it in. It's so effortless to do every day and it looks so pretty. So appreciate y'all for the support and all of the love, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Y'all stay beautiful and blessed.
Down to the ground like a balance by the name.